unfortunate update for the Infiniti QX4. They wrecked it. Suspension on the driver's side is completely tweaked. Got the control arm coming out and bent backwards. Tie rod end is completely bent. Front and rear rims are scratched. You have to see if this one will hold air. Fender flare damage. Fender flare damage. This one looks like it's pushed back. There's a big gap. That whole side rail.
Bro, you gotta chill.
Well, looks like my plan is gonna work. I just need more than just myself. So, see if I can get one of the boys back. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and try again. That's like a crazy bend. Like an elbow. The strut brace. This didn't bend. Oh shoot, did it nick? It's like a electrical cable. It looks like it just rubbed the dirt off of it. You can definitely see the bend in that. It's not gonna take long. And we ended up not recording an entire chunk of the work that we had done, but if we look here, we got the off, we got the rear mount for that thing off. So the only thing left to do is pull out this super bent tie rod, take out a couple more bolts, and we'll have the control arm free, and then we can start putting it all back together. Alright, so we got everything back together in here, all looking a whole lot straighter, a whole lot newer. The sway bar actually broke the end link on the other side, so now I'm gonna get that end off and replace that sway bar link, and then we should be able to call it good. So this is what a spare tire looks like that hasn't been used in 21 years. I can tell just by eyeballing it that the alignment is not that great. I tried doing the whole count the open threads to kind of get the tie rod set, but it seems to still be in a little bit. I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but yeah.